Hi everyone. Just in case there's a second lockdown and you want things to do around the house, I thought we could just show you how to lift up the grill of the radiator and clean inside here, because I don't know if you knew that this kind of lifts up. So what we're going to do, just have a hammer and maybe a thick towel, because you don't want to destroy your radiator. Make sure your radiator's off and it's not hot. This unfortunately has been on, and we just thought we had the idea right now, so we thought we'd do the video now rather than wait for it to cool down. But anyway, wait for it to cool down, and go to the bottom bit here, because there's three sections: this long bit, the top bit, and that side. So you want to kind of hammer this bit off. So we'll just use a little towel and just tap it open. Okay, it's slowly coming up. That's it. So that's come up like that. Take that bit off, and then this kind of like pops open. You could keep the other side on still, but you can also take this side off. So have a look how dusty it is. What we want to do is hoover all the bits in the middle here, so you're kind of taking all the dust off here, and then just wipe this bit all from the dust. Just like that. Okay. So I didn't clean that yet. That's right. You didn't. It's slacking. Okay. So and then hoover the rest. This is a bit rusty here because it's in the bathroom, and the condensation will just make it rusty. Right. So to clean the sides, look at this bit here. There, it's all the dust is here. So a hoover, it will just be easy if you use a hoover. But I'm just going to show you how to do it. This. Okay. Then just assemble it back together again. So put the grill back on there, under there, and make sure it clicks in place. Like that. And then just pop this one back again. Make sure it goes on the inside of this bit here. So this bit, see that bit? Make sure it goes on the inside here. There. And then push it down. That's it. And that, everyone, is how to clean your radiators. Okay, hope that helped. See you next time. Bye.
What should we go and clean now?